Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this filthy glass door clean. The things that you'll need are newspaper, some water, and cool ashes from your wood stove. First you take the newspaper and dip it in the water, and then into the ashes, and then you will scrub the glass with that. See how easily it comes off? Once you're done and the window or glass door looks like that, then you will take a clean piece of newspaper and dip it in water without the ashes to get the residue off of the glass door. So now it is clean. Enjoy your wood stove.